This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap with Ivan Caesar.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Premier Trade Market Wrap. For the first time in more than 4 years, the Federal Reserve appears ready to lower interest rates to prevent a housing meltdown and a painful credit crunch from driving the economy into a recession. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke and his central bank colleagues met Tuesday to determine the next move on interest rates. Policymakers are widely expected to cut an important rate, now at 5.25%, by at least 1/4 percentage point. Some analysts predict a bolder step, a 0.5 point reduction. Manufacturing activity in the New York area slowed in September. The bank's Empire State Manufacturing Index fell to 14.7 in September from 25.1 in August. The drop was somewhat larger than expected. Economists were looking for the index to fall to 18. New orders fell to 13.6 in September from 22.2 in August. Shipments dropped to 5.1 from 28.8. This is the lowest level of shipments since June 2005. General Motors has signed an agreement with Russia's economy ministry to invest $150 million in a new factory with an initial capacity of 25,000 cars a year. The factory, which will produce a completely new model under the Opel brand, will start large-scale assembly in 2008 and small-scale assembly in the first quarter of 2009. Microsoft lost its appeal of a European antitrust order Monday that obliges the technology giant to share communications code with rival, sell a copy of Windows without Media Player, and pay a $613 million fine, the largest ever by EU regulators. Bank of America said it will introduce special pricing for borrowers seeking to refinance their homes with conforming 30-year and 15-year fixed-rate loans and non-conforming 30-year fixed-rate loans. The limited time offer runs through November 30th. Fannie Mae estimates that roughly $1.1 trillion in single-family first-lien mortgages face a payment reset in 2007. Cemex, one of the world's largest cement producers in the world, said anticipated third-quarter revenue coming in above prior year results. The Mexican company expects sales of more than $6 billion, compared with $4.56 a year ago. Scheduled economic reports for Tuesday include the Retail Chain Index for the week of September 15th, Producer Price Index for August, and the FOMC meeting. Scheduled earnings reports for Tuesday include Lehman Brothers, Best Buy, Darden Restaurant, Kroger, Dave & Buster's, AutoZone, Learning Tree International. This has been the Premier Trade Market Wrap.